Okay, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Ako nga pala yung tagapagtulong ngayon. Ako nga pala si Mark Gil Ocalvo. At ngayong araw ay tatalakayin po natin ang measurement of the surface area. At bago tayo magsimula, kung hindi pa kayo naka-follow at naka-like sa aking Facebook page at naka-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, pwede nyo na akong i-follow, like, share, and comments. Then, para maging aware naman kayo sa mga susunod ko na video. Okay. Ano nga ba ang surface area? Surface area is measured in square units like square meter and square feet or square centimeters, and representing the total area covering the outside of a 3D object by adding the areas of all its pieces or surfaces. Often calculated using specific formulas for shape like cubes, sphere, or cylinders and others. And dito makikita po natin ang ating solid figures, which is the rectangular prism, cube, pyramids, cylinder, cone, and sphere. So, meron tayong anim na solid figure. At meron silang kanilang bawat formula. At yan po ang ating gagamitin kung paano natin kukunin ang kanilang surface area. Okay. Una, solve for the surface area of the sphere. Meron tayong given na radius is the 3 meters. Kagaya ng aking sinabi kanina, gagamitin lang natin ang kanilang formula. At meron tayong formula ng sphere, is the surface area is equal to 4 pi r squared. Then, papalitan lang natin ng ating r kasi yan po ang ating radius na 3. So, ang unang gagawin po natin ay i-multiply lang po natin sa kanyang sarili ang 3, which is the 3 times 3 is equal to 9. And bring down lang po natin yung 4 pi. And pangatlong gagawin po natin is i-multiply lang po natin ulit yung 4 pi times 9. And meron na po tayong surface area na equals to 36 pi or 113.0976. Yan po ang ating surface area sa ating sphere. Okay. Next, solve for the surface area of the given figure below. At ang ating solid figure po ay cube. At meron po siyang side na 2 centimeters kasi pare-pareho lang naman sila ng measurement o kanilang kung gaano sila kahaba. Kagaya nga ng sinabi ay gagamitin lang natin yung formula kanina na pinakita ko. Meron tayong formula na surface area is equal to 6 side squared. So, ang is po natin, yan po ang ating side at yan lang po ang ating papalitan, which is the 2 squared. Then, kagaya nga kanina, kung meron tayong squared na nakalagay sa baba, ay i-multiply lang po natin yung 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. Then, ang pangalawang gagawin natin is i-multiply lang po natin yung 6 multiply by 4, which is meron na tayong surface area sa ating cube na 24 centimeters. Okay, next. Yun. Solve for the surface area of the given figure below. Sa rectangular prism. So, meron tayong length, width, height, width, height. Then, ang ating formula is surface area is equal to 2 times length times width plus length times height plus width times height. At meron tayong length na 20 meters ang kanyang kalapadon. Then, ang kanyang width is meron tayong 4. And kanyang height is meron tayong 2 meters. Okay. Pinalitan lang natin yung mga nasa given, yung length, width, height. Okay. Nilagay natin. Ang unang gagawin po natin ay yung nakapasok sa ating close parenthesis, yan po ang una nating i-multiply. Ang unang gawin natin is length times width equals to 20 times 4 and 20 times 2 and 4 times 2. Okay. Ang solve po natin sa 20 times 4 which is 80, bring down 80, then 20 times 2 equals to 40 and 4 times 2 equals to 8. Then add lang po natin yung nasa loob ng close parenthesis natin, which is 80 plus 40 plus 8 is 8 and equals po niyan, i-times po natin sa, i-multiply po natin sa 2 times 80 plus 40 plus 8 is equals to the surface area of 256 centimeters. Okay, solve for the surface area of the cone. Yan po ang ating solid figure ng tayong cone. Ang given po natin ay meron po tayong radius na 2 centimeters and side na 4 centimeters. At ito po ang ating formula. Surface area is equals to pi radius times side plus pi radius squared. Pinalitan lang natin yung mga given. Napalitan yung radius which is 2 and side napalitan natin is 4. Then palitan natin yung radius is equals to 2. Okay. Ang unang gagawin po natin ay i-multiply po natin yung 2 multiply by 4 is equal to 8 pi. Then sa kabila naman, i-multiply na po natin yung kanyang sarili sa 2 times 2 is equal to 4 pi. Then ang pangalawang gagawin natin is addition na. 8 pi adding by 4 pi is equal to 12 pi or 37.6992. Yan po ang ating surface area for the cone. Okay, next. Solve for the surface area of the given figure below. Ang ating solid figure po ngayon ay cylinder. At meron po tayong given na radius 4 centimeters and height na 5 centimeters. At ang ating formula po ay surface area is equal to 2 pi radius times height plus 2 pi radius squared. Then kagaya nga kanina, papalitan lang natin ulit. Okay, napalitan na natin yung radius which is 4 and height po natin is 5 and radius ulit is 4. Okay, ang unang gagawin natin is i-multiply po natin yung 4 multiply by pi is equal to 20 and i-multiply lang po natin yung 2 sa labas, 2 pi is equal to 40 pi. And sa kabila naman, kagaya nga sinabi ko kanina, kung meron tayong squared, i-multiply yung ang po niya yung kanyang sarili at which is the 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. Then i-multiply po natin sa kabila which is the 32 pi. And pangatlong gagawin po natin ay i-add lang po natin yung 40 adding by 32 pi. Since the surface area is 72 squared or 226.19.52. Okay, next. Solve for the surface area of the square pyramid. Meron tayong base, lateral faces. Then sa ating side, meron tayong side na 10 and base mo natin is 10. Then ang kanyang height is 20 centimeters. Okay. Then, substitute na po natin. At ito naman ang kanyang formula is surface area is equal to a squared plus 4 multiplied by 1/2 base times height. Okay. At pinalitan na po natin yung kanilang mga given. Ang unang gagawin po natin ay i-multiply po natin yung 10 sa kanyang sarili, which is 100. 10 multiplied by 10 equal to 100. Then kabila naman is 10 multiply by 20 is equal to, then multiply by 1/2, then ang result is multiply again by 4, which is 400. Then adding na po 100 added by 400, which is surface area is 500 centimeters. Next. At yan lang po ang aking tutorial ngayong araw. At maraming salamat po. At again, huwag niyo pong kakalimutan like, share at subscribe sa aking video ngayong pong araw. Yan lang po. God bless.